how to make an image transparent in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make an image transparent in Canva. I'm going to give you here two solutions or two of the methods that we are using currently. So we can go ahead and head over canva.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on our account. So now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We can go ahead and head over here where we have the specific, as you can see, projects. But this first method that I'm going to show you, which is going to be related to Canva 100%, is not going to be for free. If you have the free trial of the Canva Pro, I think they have named it, Canva Pro, this is it. You're going to have it at least for free, technically. But if you do have not the plan or the premium plan, you're not going to have this as a free because we have a background remover on Canva. We're going to try it on 3 images. So now I am going to have these 3 images selected. I'm going to select each one of the 3 images independently, and I'm going to have BG background remover. I click on it, and as you can see, with a simple click, here we have the background removed of this image. For this one too, I would like to have this. It is going to instantly have the thing set up. Now the third image, we're going to let it detect. Boom, here we have 3%. And as you can see, we have no background. That's it. So basically, we're going to have everything set up, and we're going to have the setup just like that. Now that was for the method of having the specific images just like that, and this is it. Now I'm going to give you an alternative, or the second method, which is going to have to at least have the images with the background and moving them to a website called remove.bg or remove.background. As you can see, it is going to be automatically and also for free. But here, we're going to have also a pricing. Why? Maybe you're going to ask. Because basically, if you're going to have one of the images here inserted, you can go ahead and upload an image. For example, I don't know here, one of the images like this one. Let's say that it is, let's pretend that it is going to have a background. So I'm going to have a background, for example. Let's have this background. We can go ahead and set it up or remove the background of it as a preview. It is not going to be a very high quality. It is going to be a 300 by 300, or depending on the image size, as a preview for free. The maximum quality is going to be needing a premium plan. But for small projects, small images, little logos, it is going to be cool. Basically, we're going to have everything set up just with this image. Also, they have another platform that I would like to suggest for you, which is going to be Adobe Express Background Remover. And you're going to find it just like that. It is going to have the same role as this. It is going to be completely free. So that was, as you can see, pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.